Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In today's video you will find out how the price of IOTA has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, divergence, stochastic RSI and MACD are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the IOTA hourly time frame, the price went up with around 9.4%. But then came quickly down again in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 29.8 cents. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 200 SMA to the upside, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. At the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 29.6 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 30.8 cents could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. On the lookout for divergences in the hourly time frame, the price has already gone up owing to the last bullish divergence. Moving to the hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are currently very low, which means that the price is oversold and a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation is to be expected. You should wait to see if the trend will in fact go up because the K line has yet to cross the D line. Jumping to the hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong and it could be expected the price to go further to the downside. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 29.5 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 30.1 cents could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Jumping to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. Jumping to the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. But according to the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is going down. Owing to this, we can expect the price to remain stable, and you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be a downward trend. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the price crossed the 200 SMA upwards, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. The current price is between the 200 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 28.8 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 30.4 cents could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. Looking at the daily stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is over the %D line, which means the current trend is to the upside. Moving to the daily MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong, and it could be expected the price to go further to the upside. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, Keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.